Hello everyone, I heartily welcome you all to the Legal Success Square. Today we are discussing the legal job vacancies. We will be discussing the number of posts, the qualification required for giving such examination, maximum age, and after that we will be discussing the pay scale also, qualification obviously, and its syllabus and many more. So let us begin that. Three job vacancies I will be talking about in this particular video. So the first one being Rajasthan State Industrial Development and Investment Corporation Limited. इन्होंने क्या वैकेंसीज निकाली है? इन्होंने पर्टिकुलरली बहुत सारी वैकेंसीज निकाली है, बट वी विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट लीगल वन. सो नंबर 5 being junior legal officers. Okay, here the number of total posts being 16, and for its OC it's 4, and for women it's 2. Over here, for generally for the general candidates, that is unreserved, and for the backward classes here it's 2 for OC, and for women it's 1. And over here in the scheduled caste it's 2 over here, and for the women it's 1. And for the scheduled tribe it's 1 over here and 1 for the women. And economically weaker section it's 1 for the OC, particularly for the OC, and for more backward classes it's 1. So let us discuss further. Okay, now here its clarifications. Then we are going to discuss the salary and remunerations over here. So particularly for the JLO, that is junior legal officer level 1, pay matrix would be level 11, level 11, and 26,500 would be the fixed remunerations rupees per month. Here the education qualification, if we talk about, and the number of name of post, so it's 5 here. Junior legal officer, particularly you have to pass the LLB, obviously, and 55% would be the minimum qualification marks for giving such examinations. And so let us read again. Law graduate, professional degree from a recognized university with minimum 55% marks, or LLM from a recognized university. Now let's see here the citizenship. It's written that it would be Indian and many more. So you need to go through this, and I will be sharing in the Telegram group Legal Success Square, so you can consult with that and tally with that. Age limit here would be like let's see, category over here it's written, and the maximum age being over here is 40 years. So if I have told about you the maximum age, then obviously you can apply for that. And so we have discussed the number of posts 16, qualification being the LLB only, and maximum age 40 years. Now the last date for applying this particular examination being 13 November 2021. Okay, now here it's written examination fee. Obviously it's coming under this category for the post from serial number 1 to 8, and for us junior legal officer examination it's number 5, serial number 5. So it's the selection procedure. You have to see this point, how many marks, total marks being 450. Now let's see examination plans and syllabus. Here junior legal officers, annexure 5, it's given in the annexure 5, so we have to consult this. The next job being Artificial Limbs Manufacturing Corporation of India. They have published the vacancies for junior consultant, law junior consultant. Here this job is particularly the contractual basis. The post for PWD is 1, and for general, that is unreserved, also 1. Here the qualification in both the cases being LLB plus 2 years experience for the PW category, and for the unreserved category It requires LLB, the qualification being LLB, and 8 years experience at least. So here for unreserved, the maximum age for applying for the particular this type of examination being 50 years, and in such case for the PWD category the maximum age would be 45 years. Here in PWD category, diploma in computer is required. Diploma in computer is required. I will be sharing this post in the Telegram also, so no need to worry, and I will be displaying everything in this particular video also. What are the main points I am sharing that, so that you can correlate with that. So but the last date you can apply by email only, and the last date for applying this examination for a particular post being November 5 only. Today is November 4, so you have only one day. You can visit today or tomorrow. See over here it's written 5/11. So just visualize this essential qualification for one consultant legal and vigilance on contract basis, and one junior consultant legal on contract basis. So now you can see category also over here, experience also. Particularly for this and this I am talking about. Place of posting over here New Delhi, and over here Jabalpur. Consolidated remunerations for 75,000 per month, and over here 45,000 per month. Now you can see maximum age over here 45 years, and here the 50 years, and over there 45 years. So now essential qualifications you have to read this over here, and now terms and condition you can go through. This is the application form. So let's move to the next job vacancy. Next job, legal vacancies being my favorite one, as I'm working in the financial institution itself, that is LIC. You must be knowing LIC HFL. So over there I'm working as legal assistant manager, and the syllabus for both type of examination being same. So here I can give you a millions of guidance for this particular examination, and I will be sharing the video even. So let's move into the next point, that is next job vacancies, that is law officers in the banking. Who published this? Institute of Banking Personnel Selection. So we will be talking about number 4, that is law officer scale 1. So the main point I will be telling about, and after that I will be sharing the video and guidance video. What are the syllabus which usually comes for this type of examination in the banking sectors, in the financial institution sectors? You can go through my video, because I have given a plenty of examples in that, and I have made 3 videos, and I will be sharing more even for this type of particular examination, so that you can be well versed with the options which usually comes in the examinations. So over here it would be conducted in 3 stages. You must be knowing preliminary, mains, and that interview, and after that you must be knowing medical test. So that's easy only. Here you have to check nationality and citizenship. Education qualification you have to see, that is here the qualification, minimum qualification being LLB. And the most important thing is that here no need they don't ask any experience or more than any other degree rather than LLB. So law officer, you can check over here a bachelor degree in law and enrolled as an advocate with Bar Council. Now relaxation for the upper age limit you can see over here for the scheduled caste, other backward, over here 3, 4, 5 points you can see. After that मैंने बहुत सारा इसका वीडियो बनाया है, तो आप ज़रूर देखिएगा फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशंस का कि क्या क्या कैसे कैसे पेपर्स आते हैं. ये प्रिलिमिनरी के ये सारे हैं, तो ये आपको देखना है लॉ ऑफिसर्स के लिए पर्टिकुलरली। इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज कितने मार्क्स के आते हैं, कितने क्वेश्चंस है, मैक्सिमम कितने मार्क्स के हैं, और मीडियम ऑफ एग्जाम्स ड्यूरेशंस, ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये ज़रूर देख कर जाइएगा। फिर उस हिसाब से स्ट्रैटेजी आपको बनाना है, एंड आई विल बी शेयरिंग द स्ट्रैटेजी इवन, यू डोंट नीड टू वरी अबाउट दैट। फॉर मेंस एग्जामिनेशन प्रोफेशनल नॉलेज, नाउ ये प्रोफेशनल नॉलेज बोला गया, बट इसमें क्या क्या सिलेबस आते हैं, it is very important in this particular type of examination. What not to study is more important than what to study. So you must watch my each and every video regarding the financial institution, and I will be sharing more, and if any doubt arises you can ask me directly through mail. Now here the interviews. So I'm giving a short synopsis over here for this particular examinations. So it's a law officer scale 1 examination, law officer scale 1. Here the number of posts being 44 all over India, the qualification being LLB, maximum age for applying this type of examination is 30 years, and the most important one being that for prelims the date is given, it's 26 December, and for mains it's 22 January 2022, and you can apply this examination for giving this examination. You can apply by 23rd November 2021. So thank you everyone, keep learning, keep sharing. Thank you everyone.